Hi, welcome to the course C# LINQ Essentials. Learn LINQ fundamentals in C#.NET. This course is a guide to learning the C# LINQ query and method syntax for LINQ to objects, LINQ to entities, and LINQ to XML. I am Praveen Kumar Bhavna, shortly Praveen from CodeWithPraveen.com, your instructor for this course. I have over 15 plus years of experience in software development in C#.NET. I have worked in various MNCs developing enterprise applications related to security surveillance, access control, and other automation control systems. In this course, you will learn the LINQ concepts in the C# programming language with .NET Core from the ground up. You will be taken through a carefully selected approach for C# programmers towards learning these concepts. We will create simple C# programs along the way to learn and apply the LINQ concepts in C#. Some of the topics you learn include basics of C# LINQ using both query syntax and method syntax, different types of LINQ operators, LINQ to objects, LINQ to entities, and finally LINQ to XML. Each of these sections contains lots of activities such as quizzes, coding challenges, and assignments to validate your learning at each stage. At the end of this course, you will have a strong foundation on LINQ concepts in C#. You can apply the newly acquired skills to advance your C# programming career. I designed this course for C# beginners who are new to LINQ looking for a strong foundation on LINQ concepts with .NET Core. Also for intermediate C# programmer who have basic LINQ knowledge but want to understand further on query and method syntax. As a prerequisite, you should know the basics of C# and have Visual Studio Code or Visual Studio or any other IDE installed that supports C# programming language. Enroll now to get started.